Hi friends, ignore the lack of makeup and tiredness. I just wanted to pop on here and mention a few things, just because I know there's lots of new ones in the group, so welcome. So happy to have you. My name is Catherine and I am the creator of Mom Talk Educate. I specialize in newborn photography and teaching others how to do newborn photography. I'm at my studio right now and I am just getting ready to finish editing a session before I have to pick up my kids. And so I'll just do a quick little whoop. Anyways, I just wanted to let you know the scoop on everything in the group right now. So currently I have a free live editing bootcamp that is happening this evening. And it's happening at 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And so I'm just going to run through the time zones real quick. So that's going to be 6 p.m. for everybody in Pacific Time, 7 p.m. for Mountain Standard Time, 8 p.m. for Central, and 9 p.m. for anybody on the Eastern time zone. So just join the event inside the Facebook group. I've also posted about it, so you can search my name, Catherine, Kathryn, and I've posted the links for it, or you can just click on events in the Passion for Posing Facebook group, the Mom Talk Educate group, and join us because there's always loads of free information. They're always super fun to participate with. I've done them half a dozen times or more, and everyone always has a really great time. What I do in my editing boot camps is I don't have any gatekeeping. I show you guys how I adjust colors, how I figure out my white balance, what settings I use for my pictures. If I have any presets that I'm going to be using, I show you, how I figure out what preset I'm going to use depending on what picture I'm editing, how I end up tweaking that, or even if I don't use a preset, I show you how to do that. I am also going to show you how to hand retouch in Photoshop. I use Adobe Camera Raw, so ACR and Bridge and Photoshop. That's okay if you use Lightroom. Everything is the same. Lightroom essentially has all the exact same settings as ACR. So don't worry if you are like, I'm a Lightroom user, that's not going to help me. Yes, it will. Everything is the same. Okay, so don't worry about that. I also will share the raw image that I am working on, or raw images that I will be working on during the live, and you will be able to download them and you will be able to access everything that I am using. So I'm not going to be gatekeeping anything, and it's not going to cost you a bunch of money. So don't stress about that. I am also going to demonstrate how I use eVoto. Now I'm not getting paid or sponsored by eVoto, so don't think that, oh, she's just trying to sell me on something. I'm not. I'm actually just trying to share with you the latest technology out there. I'm also going to show you how I use Liquify in Photoshop to fine-tune my editing, as well as the generative fill and different things that maybe you don't know about. So I think that it's going to be a lot of really great information, and it's always a lot of fun. The replay is going to be accessible for a few, 24 to 48 hours, but if you want the gift that I give away, you have to watch the replay within 24 hours. So it's not going to be like you can watch it later, like 3 days later, and get the gift. That's not gonna be accessible. The gift is gonna have a 24-hour expiry on it. So just keep that in mind. Again, if you're just tuning in now, just make sure that you would join the events inside the Facebook group to get the link for me when I go live this evening. Another thing about the newborn safety course that is launching, the early bird price is the sale is happening on Monday. So everyone who is wanting to get the newborn safety course, make sure that you are available on Mondays so that you don't forget. Set an alarm clock, put a reminder in your phone. It's only going to be on an early bird price for a few days. So you're going to definitely want to make sure that you snag it while it's on sale. If you are curious about me, wanting to get to know me, wanting to get to know Tenielle, who I collaborated with for the safety course, hop on YouTube, search up Mom Talk Educate, and we have a live that we did a few days ago there, and I've also posted it inside the group. So really great information. If you guys have any questions, feel free to post them, and I will definitely do my best to respond to you right away. And I am just very excited to have you. If you're wondering what type of photographer I am and if I am capable of teaching you, or if you're wondering, well, maybe she's not any good at photography, you know, I don't blame you. Maybe you don't know me. My company that I do my personal photography business through is called Raindrop Photography. It's RAYNE for rain. It's my daughter's middle name. Drop Photography. So I will post the link to my website in the comments below. I'm an active business. I take sessions regularly with newborn clients, so I'm very in tune with life right now. So I'm definitely not one of those educators that just teaches and I don't do my own sessions. That's not the case. I'm quite busy, and I definitely am aware of life and economy and whatever. So if you have any questions about learning from me, definitely give me a shout. Email me at momtalkeducate@gmail.com and let me know that you want to chat. Or you're welcome to DM me on Instagram. You can find me on Instagram at momtalkeducate. Okay, so you guys have an awesome day. Make sure you set your alarms so that you don't miss the live editing this evening. And we're going to have so much fun. And plus, you're going to get a free gift. Okay, so have an awesome day, guys. We'll see you in a few hours. Well, quite a few hours, but this evening. Okay, bye.